Hello and welcome back, guys. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. Now that we are more comfortable with the program, let's talk more about markers in both the program panel and the timeline. Alright, so what I'm gonna do very simply is just go over here to the program panel and press M on my keyboard as the shortcut for marker and finish. I established where I wanted my marker to be. Now I go ahead and double click on it to open the marker dialog box. You can also hit the M key twice to mark and open its dialog box right away. Anyway, write a name for it and add comments, for example, speed my clip up from this point, and color code it. Alright? Notice it's gonna be on both the program panel as well as the timeline. As you can see, both are related to each other. Now let's do it again in a little bit different way. This time I activate my timeline, place my playhead over here, and now press the M key. So very suddenly I'm going to see that I have this little guy shows up right here. This way you can mark an individual track instead of whole tracks in your timeline. Even you can do the same in the source panel to mark a point. For example, here I select this point and mark it. So in addition to this marker, you can see it here in the timeline too. It can be useful when there are lots of tracks here and it is difficult to find your clip right away. So you can access it and mark it via the source panel. Also, if you have created your markers in the source panel themselves, they would come together with all of their markers here, which is actually kind of nice. You can see them there. Now if you hold your mouse on any mark, you will see comments. Here I mouse over it and see comments are appeared. But if you hold down the Alt key or Option key on your keyboard, then you can open this up to be able to see the comments. Alright guys, remember that via markers you can be more interactive, more engaging, and more collaborative with your team. Alright guys, I hope you have learned something valuable from this. Till now we have recorded and published almost 2 hours of training courses, step by step, to teach you all the wonders in Premiere Pro. And I hope you are feeling empowered, excited, and creative around what you can do with this wonderful program. I'm looking forward to teaching you all the cool things that Premiere Pro has to offer. So stay tuned and get ready to learn. And until the next video, I wish the best for you.